family, wagwan. Welcome back to another episode of Mantica Baby's Jamaican Cuisine. Scene. So what we are doing today, we're there one of my favorite sweet spots. I mean, I eat a lot of sweets still, but every now and again, the cookie monster in me come out and I want a nice cookie. You know what I'm saying? So I discover a place in Herriman, Utah. Them call name Rewhipped. One of many different cookie spots are so forth down there. You have another place called Crumble, which actually has some real good cookies as well. But this is a spot them recently opened up and try one of them cookies one at a time, and man, it was really good. They call it so-called gourmet cookies. You know what I'm saying? So, I'll introduce you guys to it, let you guys see how it is, and hopefully you guys can try it one day because they have some good stuff. I mean, I guess their items or cookie items change either weekly or monthly, I believe. I'm gonna let you guys see what's going on and show you a few of the cookies that I like and try a few of them and see what's up. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm asking you guys if you can, please, and support the cause. But let's go see what's going on. Yeah man, family, so me just get my cookies them. So now I go try one of them and make a guide. I go try all of them still because them cookies I like they home in the comfort of your own little area and you munch on one, you know what I mean? But I try one of them and make a guide, see what I go on, you see? Alright, so these are the cookies here. Go ahead and flip the screen. Yeah man, just like that. So I'm gonna leave some information about these cookies in the description because I couldn't remember all the name them, you see. Forgive me. But I know this is like a s'mores type cookie. This is a sugar cookie with a little frosting on the top, chocolate chip, and this one has a little raspberry with a little icing on the top of that. It's kind of like a sugar cookie as well. But yeah. So this is kind of the layout here. And I try one of them. Probably I'll try the chocolate chip, you know what I'm saying? Because I want them kind of warm and ready to go. So these are the size of these things, man. For a four pack, I think it's like $10 plus tax. I had me a little coupon, so I got a little $2 off. Because I'm always up in here. So, but yeah, so yeah, this is kind of what it look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and sample and see what I go on. Oh man. So the cookie at the size of my hand, brother. Yeah. Just like that. So Rewhipped, you're doing a good job, guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the information description for them location and so forth. If you guys down this area, definitely come link them up. But yo, definitely worth a try. Like me always say, one love, more love, righteousness. Mantica Baby, signing out. Check back home.